So as you'll recall in our prior video, we had added one product, we deleted a product, and then we are going to add this new product to our product categories. So products is your main product list. Product catalogs is where you assign price and tax. As you can see, you can have multiple catalogs, and the reason we've split tax and price from the primary products list is as you deploy more and more kiosks, you'll find that different towns have different tax rates. Maybe you find a market that absolutely doesn't want a certain brand of product there or a certain type of product. So you can customize each catalog to each location. We can either add a catalog or we can edit a catalog that already exists. If we want to add the product that we just added, we will go to Add Products. You see we can do it by a single product. In this case that would work since we only added one product. We can do it by category if we only wanted to load a type of product, or we can do all products. And all products will work in this instance too, because as you'll see if I click on it, if a product already exists in this catalog, it will not be added again. And if I say add all products, it's added the one new product without changing any of the pricing on the prior products. How can we find that product? We can either search for it by name, there it is, or one thing to note, whenever a new product is imported into a product catalog, its price is set to be the highest possible. You can use these buttons at the right of each column, like name, to sort by alphabetically. You can sort by highest or lowest discount rate, which doesn't apply here because we don't have any. But if you use price and sort by the highest, you'll see there's our newest product. At this level, we can hit the editor disabled and enable it. And now when everything turns green, you're able to edit the information there. I would start with tax rate, 5, or if you make a mistake, you can retype again. And then change the price to desired price. Also, the light, I don't know if you saw there, but obviously the product went away because it's no longer the highest price, so we'll have to go back and sign it. But basically, we can confirm that the price changed. The screen will usually, the line will usually flash blue when it does, but we can verify and then turn off the editor. This way, you can add products 1 or 2 or 10 at a time and alter them on KMS if you prefer, or you can download the product list as well. Let's go back to product catalogs. If we want to add a catalog, new test, and give the catalog a code, test 001. And so this code that you just gave it as Non-VMS is the code that will be used and placed in the kiosk so that the kiosk and the middleware communicate with each other. Right now you can see there's 0 products, that while other catalogs have more or less. So if we go in and do new test, we can add products. Maybe I don't want to add everything in this, but maybe I want health and wellness. Maybe I want to add one more category. Maybe I want hot foods. So you can add by category. We could have clicked add all products and brought all the products over. But as you can see, I've got 3 pages worth of products, 28 entries. If I wanted to see 50 at a time, I could do it that way. Now I have all these prices and a 0 tax rate. And by all these prices, I mean the highest price. If I do not want to edit all of these one at a time using the editor function, I can download the whole Excel file, and we'll call it, I'll add an addendum so I can find the file a little easier. And we will open this in Excel. And as we can see, all of our prices are still $99, and all of our tax rate is still 0. Now, if I know that this account has a 7.5 tax rate, I can edit that. What I can also do is I can, at the very corner, you'll see there's a little drag and drop button. When that little X appears, like we've got this kind of outlined X, but when it's just a solid X, you can grab it and drag it, or you can grab it and double click it, and that changes the tax rate of everything to that one tax rate. This obviously isn't helpful if you have multiple tax rates. You might just have to go through each item, but now we've taken care of that tax rate step very quickly. Just for sake of speed, I'll set up a few prices just on a few products. Maybe I know that these 10 are $2 and these next 10 are $1.50. Obviously this might go a little slower in some cases. With larger lists, we'll make sure we save it. I usually click save a few times. And then if we go to upload, we'll choose a file and find my labeled file, and it will show you the preview. It took 28 products. You're not going to really see new or deleted products because that's not so much an option when you're setting prices. You can click next and it'll tell you the update's complete. We can go back to the new test catalog, and now we can see I've got my prices and I've got my tax rate. If I decided scrambled eggs needed to be more, I can go into here and say $3.50 is a perfect price for scrambled eggs. So you can see the blue outline popped up around the product and it's saved. If I want to double check that it's the highest price item, I can search via price. Once you have all your prices set and your catalog set, then you're set.